This is before my braids are longer. They're straight. It's giving afro. This was about to get better. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna just be making my braids look a little bit cleaner. I have a photo shoot tomorrow, and this little afro going on top of my head, I ain't trying to have it. So what you're gonna need is these little things, whatever you want to curl your hair with, a comb, some skizzers. Damn, still got last week's hair. Some skizzers, a little bit of hair treatment. This is my hair conditioner treatment, edge control, and a crochet needle. You're gonna need all of these things, but it's a fairly easy process. Like, it shouldn't take too long. So I'm just gonna start with doing this front section because that's pretty much all that's gonna show. Y'all, my edges was ripped out of my head. Do you see this? Do you see the damage? These little braids ain't no joke. And I have really thick hair, so I've never had this issue before, but it's just the tension of it being pulled. So if you do like get super small box braids like these, just be careful not to be putting your hair in a ponytail and stuff like me. I'm crazy. So I'm only gonna do the front because I'm not flipping over or nothing like that. I can't let nobody see that I got Dracula's hairline. So yeah. So I'm just gonna start by going right down the middle with that edge control. So after doing the edge control down the middle, I'm just going to reestablish my part. So I'm just trying to make sure that my part is clearly seen. I've had these braids in for about a month, so I mean, they're due to come out. So let's just start in the beginning, and then I'll probably do the rest off camera. So I'm gonna take some edge control and just put it on the bottom like this. Make sure that all of that hair is collected in there. And it actually does matter which way you put it down because you're gonna wanna pull it so that it looks right. I mean, honestly, that already looks better. But that new growth, y'all, my hair grows like weeds. I want it right in the thick of it, like that. And I'm gonna hook that little bad boy on there. And just pull it through. Like this. It feels tighter, it looks tighter, it is tighter. So I'm gonna just do that along this whole side. Make sure that you grab on all of that hair that's probably like just loose and in the area. And I'm twisting it up into this braid. And again, it does matter which way you crochet because your braid will lay that way. So I like for it to lay downwards. So I'm doing it from the front. Alright, now automatically those look so much better than these. Like, off rip, you can tell the difference. So let's keep going. So I got caught lacking trying to do one of these for my TikTok and my shorts. So when I say that like you can do it wrong, this is what I mean. Like, you see how this one braid is sticking up and it's not laying like the rest, and it only lays forward and not back. This should be laying back because it's more than halfway in. So I'm gonna redo this and show y'all how real quick. You just want to, let's get close. You just want to push that right back through. And it's not hard. Usually if it's wrong and you did it wrong, it'll be easier. So I'm just gonna pull it right back through. Like this. And now I'm gonna redo it the right way. There we go. So I kneaded it this way. So now it's laying smooth. There's no hump. We're golden. This side is done. That's about as good as we're gonna get without fully redoing it. So we're gonna do this side. So I decided to go in and just do that layer right next to it, because some of them are just really puffy and it's stopping the first section from laying down correctly. But while doing that, I just wanted to explain that if you guys are worried about if you'd have to untwist each braid while taking your hair down, you won't, because you're already like unknotting and just taking down the braiding. So it'll just come out naturally. You don't have to do anything extra. This one looks bad. You don't have to do nothing extra, y'all. Don't worry. It is low maintenance. It is easy. All right, so I've done both sides. What y'all think? It looks better. It definitely looks better to me. It feels like 2 weeks old instead of 4 weeks old, and I can handle that. I can deal with that. After that, I am just gonna take some of this conditioning treatment, intensive hair repair mask, and just brush it down on the outsides. I see a lot of straightaways, which is just breakage from this style, which makes my heart and soul cry. I will definitely rethink this hairstyle. So I'm brushing up. I know you're not supposed to do that. It's like, why are you doing that, girlfriend? You're doing the opposite of what you're supposed to be doing. But I just want to locate all of the hair that's like not in a braid. Like, come up, come out wherever you are. Come up, Forest. Don't run, Forest, don't run. Come up, Forest. So I'm just brushing it up, and I can see it clear as day now. Like, can you see that, all of that hair right there? That's what I was looking for. I was looking for you. So now that I have it just sitting on top, I can really see like where the problem area is. It's like right here. So I'm gonna take the wax and just rub it on my fingers and just try to collect it all. And now that I have it all sticking up and sticky, I'm just gonna roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. All right. Now that I have it rolled, I'm gonna cut it. It's all in one place. I'm just gonna come along here and cut it. I'm joking, y'all. I would never cut my hair. But on a serious note, now that I have it all rolled up, I'm gonna take that same crochet needle and I'm gonna pick a braid closest to it. For this section right here, for this little ball of hair, this is about 2 sections. For this section right here, it looks like it's closest to this braid. So I'm gonna crochet it through this braid. Cause I love my hair, y'all. Like, you gotta survive, all of you. So I'm gonna stick that through there if it lets me. If it lets me. Stick that through there. So let's open that, crochet it, close it, and pull it through. All right, so now all of those pullaways are in one braid. But how does that look? No more fro. I mean, not for real. No more fro. You can see my parts clearly. You can like clearly see them. So now I'm just gonna start with the bottom. I didn't really want to have straight hair anyways. I just tried it for like the first time for real, and I'm not really a fan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it off for real this time. I'm actually gonna cut it this time. So I'm just gonna cut off all of the hair that's straight. I don't want it anymore. Give it a blunt cut. Boom. We're done. We're done with that hair. It's dead to me now. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. Now, to speed this process up, I'm gonna take this side of this and just like go like this. because I need that hair out. I need it out so that I can curl it. So I'm just gonna go like this as long as I need to, and just slowly start moving up the braid. And you'll see that it's starting to come loose. Let's do this rat tooth comb to get the ones that are being stubborn. I'm just combing them out. Maybe go in a smaller section. Even smaller than that. It's gonna take a minute, y'all. I'm about to go put on some anime. I'm like, I don't know if y'all into anime, but I'm like super into Tokyo Revengers right now. And then I found out that Disney Plus bought them, so I'm kind of disappointed because I am tired of spending $60 on subscriptions. That includes Amazon Prime, Disney, Hulu, Netflix, and I know I'm missing one, Crunchyroll. Paying $60 a month for like subscriptions is not fun. So I do have the ads on my Disney, and like having ads every 5 minutes or 3 minutes on an anime is not like, it's not for fun. It sucks real bad. But that's what I'm about to go do. So when I come back, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to curl these ends, and they'll be fully unbraided as far down as I want them for the curls. So BRB. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I have finished doing the bottom of these braids. I did all of them, and then after the fact thought that maybe I should have left some, but it's fine. So this is what it looks like. I did go ahead and seal my hair down with some mousse and put a scarf on top. That's gonna lay while we do this. I want spiral curls, so I'm just gonna do it like this. So we're gonna do each side so you can see the clear difference. And I've already got this smoking. I just ordered this. I love this thing. It is so good for my hair. I'm just keeping tea on me, so yo, hot enough to burn you. Be careful. I'm gonna grab a towel. Okay. This will do. Dip, baby, dip. Come on, come on. See that foot? That's sizzling. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Okay. Ooh. That's steaming. Send help. Send help. Alright, y'all, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Let's see these curls. Let's see these curls. This is the moment to warn y'all I am not a professional. So if you watch this long, shout out to you, but I never. But look, they're cute. Okay, y'all. I might be a little professional. What I was gonna say, I never promise y'all results. I just promise y'all a good time. Hopefully we all got results though, because these curls are cute. And it worked out. I mean, it worked out. These gonna turn out cute for the week. Alright, yo, that's it. That's the whole side. They're pretty, they're big. Let's just do this side. So I took the pleasure of redoing this side because these came out so pretty and just perfect. I went ahead and made sure that each side only had 2 braids to each row to give me a prettier curl. Alright, the curls are all done. They're so pretty. So I'm just gonna clip the bottom. Now I'm clipping any straight flyaways that just take away from the pattern. This one. This one needs to get redone. We're gonna redo this one. Okay guys, if y'all still rocking with me, thank you so much. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But we are done. If you remember where we came from, then you know that this looks so much better and definitely photo shoot ready. So this took me 5 hours. Drop in the comments how long it took you, and thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.